Good morning. Hello. Struggling with music. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Hold on. I am not ready this morning. Good morning, Tanvir. Hello. I'm a little all over the place because I had to like clear out my closet in that little room where there's the air exchange because they're coming to do maintenance on that. I was like putting stuff everywhere, but my place is a mess. There's stuff everywhere. No voice. Music is sick today. Yes, I was feeling a little Viking this morning. A little medieval. Yes. So yeah, there's stuff everywhere in my place. On top of crafting supplies everywhere. I've added another one to the mix. I've finally started watercolor yesterday. Only did practice though, but yeah, another one. It's like, well, about time too, because I've had this like watercolor supply stuff for like, how long? Maybe 2 years? Maybe less, I don't know, but I've wanted to start watercolor for the longest time, and like finally yesterday I was like, today's the day we're doing watercolor. So I was doing like trying out the colors from this palette. I thought this was a cheap palette, but I might have underestimated it. I mean, it's quite pigmented, not bad at all. But yeah, it's got no name on it. And the only brand I have is on the brush, so it comes from my local art store. So I guess it's not that cheap. Not professional grade, but it's better than nothing. It's good for starting. I also have these ones that I have, but I don't have anything to put them in. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go with the little ones that I have. Okay. I was busy setting up before stream was coming. Good morning, schöne Frauen. There's multiple of us? Oh? Good morning, Drop. Hello. Okay, let me put the iPad on. We are continuing the course. I have not touched it in a while. Oh, come on. Open. Ugh. Why? iPad. But how's it going? Good Wednesday morning. Not at the office today. It's a non-office day today. Which is why the YouTube is on right now and was not yesterday. Okay, where were we? Making the character move relative to the camera and resetting the scene, I think. That sounds about right. Character movement. Oh, right, I think I had something to fix, didn't I? And I didn't? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Oops. The car? No. The car is, no. I've gone off on other tangents, including the watercolor one. The car was only practice anyway, so I don't know if I'll ever finish that. The fire has gone on that project. It's not really a project, it's more of a practice piece. So practice piece, like pieces, I don't really mind not finishing. It's more to practice color and values and all that. Okay, I believe we had a bug. Right? Or not? Did I fix it? Wait. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, yeah, we do have a bug. I see it. What was it? Invalid assignment, priority, key, position. Wait, what line? Here? So self doesn't have position, why? I know it's... Well then. Let me get the source real quick. Also, I might be like kind of not there for coding because I went in the coding black hole yesterday before work and I was like super hyper focused. Got out of it. I was like, oh, life exists. Because I have this rush project for tomorrow. And like, I've been doing JavaScript and jQuery for like too much time. Too much. So I'm remaking a quiz that we have to redo, and like they were like, oh, the student like made this code and could we like have it in the website, but like it really looks like AI code, and I had to like figure out what the AI decided to do and then modify that for jQuery, and then yo babatay, hello Phil. So yeah, it was a fun time yesterday. Fun. Yippee. Alright, let me download the source and I'll check the code real quick. Just to see, compare. Just so we're at the same spot as the teacher. So we can go from there. I don't want to like debug for too long. I done that a lot yesterday. I don't want to debug anymore. I'm done. At least for this week. I couldn't see myself because my files were on my face. Extract all. I know you guys can't see, that's normal. I don't want you guys to see necessarily everything. It's resources for 4, I think. Oh my god, there's a zip inside a zip, really? Unexpected error. What do you mean? Skip. Oh my god, skip. Why? Doesn't work. Great. Love it. Scripts. Which one is this? This is the camera handler. I guess he called it view? Is that it? Open with Visual Studio. Chobby Chunk, what a name. Hello, good morning. Okay, there's a Note 3D. Let's compare. Let's put you here and you here. Oh lord. This is annoying. Can I like open like this? Yes. Okay, let's compare what we have between mine and his. Note 3D, that's fine. Some speed, yep. Rotation speed. Okay, his? This is just a camera? Weird. Weird. Yes, I wasn't doing anything. I was going through my files. Hello, human people. Hello, Mohammed. Hello. I'm going to need my eyes and ears. This morning, somebody fired a round in our neighborhood. I was sleeping at the time. I don't even know while everybody... Whoa, crazy. It's wet outside. Is it A, raining, B, sunny, or none of the above? What? Oh, the quiz, yes. No, it's not quite that. He has the right content in it. It's just the code that compiles the quiz. There's like a radar chart at the end and everything, and like, oh, it was a mess. It was fine until I got to the result part, and I was like, why is it only taking a few of the answers and then showing... What? It was weird. It was really weird. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Okay, so first difference I see is his is not called Camera 3D, but that might just be his naming. Camera rotation. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna pass. Oh, I mean, no, it's his. Pass. Kind of useless. Position. It's pretty much the same. That's where it bugs. Oh dear, is there something else? And then the rest is pretty much the same. Great. Lovely. Love that. Is it because it's named differently or something? Because of the version? Could be. Radar charts are strange and weird, right? And also that reminded me, like, when I was talking about the game I want to make, that's like a Phasmo and anomaly game kind of thing. That was a term I was looking for, a radar chart. I was like, okay, you do your anomalies, and then there's like this radar chart that does, like, kind of tells you what ghost it might be or whatever. Yeah, that's what I had in mind. I was like, I didn't know what it was called back then. Build an inspector, maybe? Maybe not? I don't know. Let me make this a little bit bigger, because I made it smaller a tiny bit. Is it in view? I don't think so. Target, player, no. Seems fine. Wait. Camera handler, what's it attached to? Wait, where is? Oh, there it is. Is it? No. No, it's not. Maybe an alien, because a few days ago you said hello, Earth people. Oh, you're talking to. Area 51. Nah. Nah, he's human, sure. Yeah, again, this is the part where I struggle with Godot, like associating stuff with the inspector. Always, always, always. Let me go back in a lesson, see if there's something I missed. Hello everyone, today so I'm trying to see view real quick. Filter, camera. Okay, like this is here. Zoom, rotation speed. True. That is another term for alien, I guess. So it doesn't make sense. Okay, go a little bit forward. New player. Booty body blah blah blah. Just going ahead. Trying to debug this thing. Help! Oh yes. Yeah, I guess. How are we? We are at 7302. Our timer hasn't been working very hard lately. I did update my time for the other stuff though, even though I didn't put the timer on. 302. There you go, thank you. There we go. Godot. Oh wait. Hold on. I think no, that's not it. Hold on. It might be it. Hold on. Might be on the player. I don't think so, but I'm stuck. Ah. Go back to. How does he get that window open? There's definitely something missing. Definitely, but I'm not seeing what I need to be seeing. Because I should. Oh no, I already have it. No, it's fine. Any Godot experts here? Help. Why am I stuck on this one thing? Gonna read my hand to move on to something else if this is really stuck. Export group and everything. Yes, that's all fine. These are all fine. Alrighty, blah blah blah. Let's see. Something changes. Nope, not really. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna look it up real quick. Camera. That was little hair. It was bothering me. Camera 3D. Vision. Godot. Which version is this? 4.6? What is the first line in their code? Yeah, he does extend Node 3D. I did exactly the same. Good God. You saw his code. Yes, I was just wondering which one I was using. Because if I bring back the code I exported, not exported but downloaded, they both extend Node 3D. They're all the same. It's something else. It's the same. The Indian tea? The Indian tea? I don't know. So yeah, this is... Yep. That's what I thought too. I thought like maybe the extend was the wrong thing, but nope. That's his code. I don't get it. I don't get it. Hold on. Well, let's make this bigger because it's small. Because it's itself that's saying that I don't have a position. So it's like it's the. It should. It really should though. Wait. No, I think I get it. Never mind. I think I do get it. Type vector 3. Why is it going nuts? Because it's a vector 3. It is though. Wait, where is it? There. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Why is it going crazy? I misspelled it. Oh my freaking God. Thank God you guys are there. That's coding for you. You'll like spend hours going like, what did I do wrong? Why is this not working? Looking everywhere else, but it's just this. Oh my freaking God. 400 hours, yes. Just so you know, there is exclamation point project, but I can show you also. This is the 400 hours. It's 100 hours of 4 different skills. And right now we're doing Godot, and tomorrow morning too. So now it should work. No. Wee, it works. Wee. No. Yes, thank you, Joe, for the link. Well, if I put them all together, probably. Yes, but I count them all individually, really. Godot is really much less advanced than I'd like it to be. Because right now we have 72 hours and 56 minutes left on Godot. Which is a lot. Still a lot. Still have so much left to do. Okay, now we can move on. Yippee! Good thing you're there, Trope, because I would have looked for that for hours and been like, I don't get it. I don't get it. And then at some point I would have been like, oh my God. It's not right. How come Godot? It's free, it's simple, it's open source. Yeah. Why not Godot? Yeah, exactly. And I didn't know if I would continue or not, so it was a good option. Yeah. Yes, timers a countdown. Yes, it is. And also I have like a lesson on the side. You might hear like little bits of the voice. I'm following along to like understand, although I could probably just go off the template and understand from that, because the template does have like code and stuff that's pretty similar Which one is this one? Oh no, that's new features. Where is it? Because I'm using a template at the same time. Anyway. Yeah, Godot's pretty good. Unreal does some really nice things, but I don't think I'll get that far. Okay, we are in camera handler, handle controls. Is that in camera handler? Where are we? No, we're in the player. Oh, I just have to make sure I'm in the right one. Is it this one? Oh, okay, that's weird because I can't see it properly. Hold on. Ooh, what? Why is it like that? Weird. Oh, hold on, pause. I wasn't listening. Ugh, hold on. You just did a whole long line. Hold up, sir. Under controls. How's it going? It's going. I feel like I haven't done enough Godot yet to actually feel comfortable at making my own game. So that's why I'm doing courses instead. I've done way too much Blender, but then again, never too much Blender. Also, I heard, I don't know if you guys heard the news of Anthropic being like a patron or whatever for Blender and everybody's losing their minds. Hopefully that doesn't mean Blender is gonna add AI, you know. I misspell a lot. I have to fix my typing before I start coding. Yeah, I misspell also, but I'll just go back and go back and forth and be like, I can't type! Yeah, I do that a lot. So, okay, we're doing input equals input what? Rotated. Vector 3 up. View rotation. We have view? Hold on. What is view? Where does view come from? Oh, we haven't made it yet. Hold on. Back up, sir. I'm not finished. View rotation Y. So I'm assuming we're gonna be writing this variable right after. Normalized. I wrote it before he did. Okay, view is not declare. I know. We're getting there. Movement speed above it. Now we're gonna export this one. For view, and it's a node 3D. Whoopee. Okay, hold on. Let me chat. Unity, Real are the other two, but they aren't open source and come with all sorts of rules. Yes, they do. They do indeed. The one I hate is when I have bigger than and it should be a little smaller than in the middle of a lot of algebra. Ugh. And you're like, what is it? What? Why? And you're like, oh, I read that thing wrong. Oops. Yeah, when you're at a point where you have to like reread your code line by line, be like, okay, this is what it does, then this is what it does, and then you realize you're like, oh, that's the problem. Oh no. Yeah, back to being free until a certain amount of revenue, but still, I don't like that they can just switch on a dime like that. Yeah, FAI. Indeed. They took our jobs. That's pretty much what AI is right now. Character by character, yeah, you're just like debugging, like especially with JavaScript. Like yesterday when I was doing the thing, I was like, okay, console log this, console log that, console log that, and it was like, oh my god, what a nightmare. But yeah, at least it went rather well. Now I'm at a point where I just have to fix the CSS a bit because it's not perfect, but it will be. But the code works now. Whee! Thank God, because I have very little time left to do that. And also, I am so annoyed. I'm not the only one that's annoyed, but like lately, it's like they're giving us a whole bunch of tasks to test systems because they keep adding new systems in other departments and stuff. And it's like, oh, we're gonna test this system. And all 5 of us developers are like, but why are we testing this system? Like, there's one thing we have to test by next week that's for emails and stuff. It's hard to explain. And they want us to test the user interface thing, whatever. But, like, we can't comment on CSS because they won't change it. So, like, we're like, CSS or functions or whatever, and we're like, then why are we testing it if we can't do that? Are we just testing for bugs? Why are we the ones doing this? Get other people to do that. We have other stuff to do. The heck? Yeah, so we're super excited. And that's one of two things. I also have to test the new way of working with our CMSs. Where like they finally integrated it with Git. Yeah, so I have to test that too. So like my life is testing right now, other than making a quiz. Привет. Yeah, it's huge about overselling with its capabilities and the C-suites, and yeah, there's just so much like billionaires and stuff getting in there. They're like all getting excited and pushing it everywhere. It's just like, and pollution. Yay, more pollution. Woohoo! And also like it's everywhere in the Microsoft stuff. We use a lot of Microsoft systems at work, and like we're kind of stuck in that environment. And yeah, it's everywhere. Copilot. But like, like I'm the only one at work who's like kind of well, I am anti-AI, but yeah, that's the only word. Actor. Only one. Oh, no, it's not true. I know those Vidania also, but like, yeah, I recognize that one with Cyrillic, but I don't think I could recognize the rest of the words. Oh, helicopter. Looks like an army one. It failed the test because of this old code. You say we can't fix the old code, so now what? It's not old code. It's because the other department have this IT guy that put that together, and he was really like, he didn't want any of us to work on the CSS or whatever, and we're like, but why? Because other systems that are similar to that one, we have access to the CSS and we can modify it to fix things. But he's like, no, it's not possible. And it's like, but we know it is possible. Like, he wants all the glory or something. It's weird. Anyway. Practicing the cause of chatting. What? Huh? I had to switch a bunch of systems to Mint Linux because I sport 4th and 8th Intel systems. Oh, I've been meaning to install Linux on my old laptop. Which version? I think it was Mint, but I'm not sure anymore. Yeah, Copilot. It's everywhere. Okay, anyway, where was I? It's gonna be under moving slide. If position Y is smaller than -10. What? Oh, wait, which keys is it? This one? Yes. Ah, hold on. It goes too fast. I can't type at the same time. Get tree. Reload current scene. Oh, because we're falling, probably. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay. Oh, it bugged. Rotation. Oh, did I? Did I miss something? I might have missed something. Rotation Y. Like, what is view attached to anyway? Oh, there we go. I'm missing something. Of course I am. Okay. Of course. I'm always missing something. What is this in player? Aha. Of course. Of course I'm missing this. Always. Mint is pretty stable and lightweight. Yeah, I think that's why I wanted that one, because my laptop's really old and it's having issues. But I don't really use it much, so I don't think about it. Since I have my iPad, I kind of don't need it. Not anti, not pro. Yeah, I'm kind of leaning more anti than pro, but I'm not fully on the anti side. I'll still, I mean, if Google's gonna give me the answer in AI and it's the right answer, okay, whatever, but like, it's so annoying. Good research. Yeah, if it gives you the right information, you just have to like double check, make sure it gives you the right thing. That's fine, I guess. But like to make art and do all sorts of stuff, I'm going on tangents here, but like I watched a video yesterday about brain rot in Australia. It's 60 Minutes Australia. I follow that, and they were talking about brain rot. It wasn't AI specifically, it was more about like social media with teens and all that, and saying like how they've tested teens and stuff and their brain is literally rotting. No joke. Like we laugh and say brain rot, but it actually is happening, and I'm assuming with AI it's gonna get even worse. Like people won't learn how to like do stuff on their own. Disco actor, thank you for coming in. Do svidania. Yeah, I'm assuming it's gonna get worse because people aren't gonna learn to do like even the small menial things that use a little bit of brain power. If you give that to AI, you'll just get used to not doing it yourself. Like for example, it's not AI related, but GPS. When you're going around in your car, if you're always constantly using GPS and never relying on yourself to navigate, your brain's gonna just get smooth, basically. Like, you need to use that part of your brain, because you will lose it. Like, example, I have a friend, he uses GPS everywhere and can't navigate for the life of him, and I'm like, then practice. Do it. Like, I barely use GPS, unless I go to a place that I don't know, but like, other than that, never turn it on, because your brain learns to navigate by doing. It's like, you know, never trusted to write code. I tried it with a few things. You do have to debug after. That's the annoying thing. Like, it works, but you do have to watch what it does. Indeed. Having a hard time because people are submitting fixes and things that are just AI slop. Ew. Slowing down the update. I have to filter all the trash. Ew. Gross. Did I test this? I don't think I did. Boop. Okay, yes, that's what it does. That's what I figured. I have to read my chat before sending it. Same. Yep. Same. Yeah, I forget words. Usually, and it's usually important words. Also, those have missed it. I started watercolor yesterday. Another thing with my wonderful little palette that I've had for way too long. And I'm very surprised by how vibrant it came out. I was expecting really muted meh colors, and it came out well. And I was trying out like color blending. Just color blending like this. With all the techniques. I found a nice video, or the 2-hour video of like watercolor. I don't know what's going on with me these days. Like I feel like doing more like traditional stuff these days. Maybe because I'm tired of being in front of a screen, or maybe because it's getting sunny and I'm like, I'm tired of being in front of my screen. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just the mood. Also the anxiety is kind of back, so I've been doing Tai Chi before bed. Trying something different. Trying to get like a little relax. I like to read a map and find my way from Zelda. Yeah, real life's a little different though, but yeah. Yeah. And sometimes I prefer relying on the... Sorry, weird noises. Relying on the panels and stuff, because I mean, sometimes it's just faster than looking over at a GPS and not looking at the road. It's like, it's there, it's in your face. Yes, it's a must for mental health. So yeah, that's why I've been doing a lot more physical stuff, because I've been feeling the anxiety mount again. And being away from a computer, like, tones down all the overstimulation. Okay, where were we? I think we're done with this one. Yeah, we're done with this one. Mark is complete. Jumping and rotating towards the movement direction. Kidoki. I don't know why my character is called character 2, but okay. Let's leave it like that. I just realized that. Yes, our little character. Also, okay, it's fine. I was wondering, is it the camera? We're going into the script of the player. So assuming we're doing something related to the camera. Jump strength, okay. I mean, it makes sense. Everything has like a strength or something. Rotation, direction. It is a float. Previously floored? What? What is that variable? I hate that there's so many spaces, but whatever. Previously floored. I'm not sure what that one does. A fliss. Ah, I can't type for the life of me. Psycho serious. Nah, it's fine. I know woo. Hold on. It wasn't supposed to happen. What the heck is this thing? Audio effects spectrum analyzer instance. What the heck does that do? Okay, this was not supposed to be that. It was supposed to be false. Okay, hold on, back up. I got a little distracted there. I've got hello, joyeux mercredi. Snout, hello, sorry. Normally I have anonymous follows. I forgot for a second, sorry. But hey, thank you for the follow, welcome in. Var, jump, single. Which is... true? Weird. Jump, double. I don't know yet what we're doing with these, but okay. Handle controls. Oh, no, we're making a new function. Jump. Jump. Oh, okay. I live in a nice city. On the other hand, it's kind of a war zone occasionally. I don't know what happens. Gravity, jump strength. Gravity equals jump strength. Now, maybe we should start by making a silly mobile game, but not mobile. Just make the game, but minus jump strength. Okay, hold on. It's going fast a little. If input is action press jump, is action pressed jump. Whoa, wrong keyboard. Jump. Jumpy jump. Why are you going crazy this morning? Hello, computer? If jump single, then jump. Okay, that's whatever. White, it's kind of off pinkish though, a little bit. Jason, hello, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va? Le soleil pour l'instant. It's gonna rain later. Well, not necessarily today, maybe? Wait, maybe not. But yeah, they're announcing. Whoa, computer? What are you doing? Did you just see that? What are you doing? Are you okay? Did you just see my taskbar go just disappear and reappear? Okay, cool. Love that. Like when my computer does weird things like that. The cheater wives cut their husband to pieces. What? Oh, good lord. What? What? Why are we? Ugh. We've become a true crime place. Oh no. No, I'm kidding. I do watch them though. Handle gravity. Are we doing anything with gravity? Jump single. Why is jump single always true though? Always true. Jay, we're doing a course for like 3D stuff to like understand how to make things move in 3D space. Wee! Oh, that works way too easily. Boing, 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 boing. Ah! We don't report on how many people are murdered around here, not to scare people. I'd imagine. Yeah. Yeah, humans are crazy. Humans be dangerous. Wait, did I just hear squish and what? That what? The hell did he just click? That was weird. He just clicked the distraction-free mode. I'm like, I don't have a heck. What the hecky? Var model equals character. Boot. What are we doing? Sure. Mostly drug related? Ah, probably. Jay, thank you so much. Merci. Yes. Welcome in. Where are we? Hold on. Oh, okay, we're here. I was like, I don't see the code anymore. There's too much going on. Also, let me check something. Okay, camera's still okay. Still good. Just checking temperatures. It is getting warmer in here. Even though my window's open. Scale. Model. Scale. Alert. Alert. Linear interpolation, I think. I think that's what it means. I forgot. Vector 3 1 1 1. And then delta times 10. Apparently we're squishing. Squish. If is on floor and gravity is bigger than 2. I hate that he does that between and stuff. And something. Move your thing, please. I can't see. Previously floored. Previously floored. We will model scale. I see, we're squishing the model when ah! Thank you for the follows, guys. Follows are anonymous, unless you talk and track. So if you want to just lurk, you can do so. And if you want to present yourself, go ahead. Squish. Must be squish. $1 million game so I can buy a cabin in the woods and go de-stress and draw frogs. Oh my god, imagine. That would be insane. Insane. Now I need to make a $1 million game. Right? Right? That would be, oh, that would be so freeing. Sorry, my shirt. My wonderful portal shirt. I'm trying to, come here, leg. Yeah, look at this shirt. It's like the wolf howling in the moon shirt, but like with turrets. Give a follow, welcome in. How is your morning? Hello. Previously floored. Previously floored is on floor. Oh my god, Portal 2! Or is it 1? Either or. There's turrets in it. Portal music videos? Portal music videos? What? So apparently that's just gonna work as is. Is it gonna squish? Boing. It's very subtle. Very subtle. My camera's so far away. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, the turret singing makes complete sense. Yes. Indeed. Oh yeah, talking about turrets, there were these blind boxes back in the day where you could get like little turrets like with different colors and stuff. And I remember wanting two very specific turrets. One was the zebra, which I got surprisingly, and the other one I was like, oh, what if I got like the leopard print one? Then I can make him like a little crown, and then it could be the animal king from like the second game. And I opened up the box. Sure enough, it was leopard print. I was so lucky with my two turrets. But not only that, it had a crown. It had a freaking crown. I got the animal king. It's somewhere. I don't know where they are. But yeah. Where did I put them? Remember turret figurines? They're not out. They should be. Sound of Science? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, he doesn't squish very much. He squishes a little, but boing, boing, boing. Okay. Now what are we doing? Oh wait, it's false here. Ah, oops. I was like, why is that always true? True. Vector... I thought he said Vector 5, so I was like, for a second I was like, excuse me? The heck is a Vector 5? How does that work in space? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go too fast though. And 0.5, okay. Ah. No, they don't actually shoot. That would be scary. It would hurt a little bit. It would be tiny little lasers. Teeny tiny little lasers. Like, ah! Jay, stop it! Imagine. But yeah, let me show you what the Animal King looks like for those who maybe haven't played Portal. Let me pause this. Animal King. Turret. It's this big guy. That's what I got. The Animal King. Oh my god, this game. So much fun. If you haven't played Portal, I do very much recommend it. Yes. It's a lot of puzzles though. So if you're not good with puzzles, good luck. Yeah. So I have exactly this with the crown and everything. Crazy. Oh yeah, there's a picture of it right there. This is what I have. Yay! I play music to pass the time. Why would it be funny? I mean, it's normal. Wrong button. Dee-dee-dee. It wasn't quite the right color though, but yeah, it kind of looks like that. Yeah, it's always in shoot mode, because or else it would look kind of weird. It'd be like just a little pod just on 3 legs. Then again, it makes sense. It is what the turret is, but yeah, it looks cool being in shoot mode too. Where are we going? Could you stop scrolling? Could you stop somewhere? Thank you. Sheesh. Okay, action is jump, then... Oh god, there's a big truck going by. Jump, double. Or if... Yeah, okay, if jump double. Gravity equals minus jump strength. And jump double equals false. Scale. Oh, vector 3. Oh my god, imagine if I had a voice, little speaker inside it, like, oh, I forgot what they say, it's been so long. I remember the space ball, but not the tourist. Oh, it was like, where did you go? And all that. Look, yeah. Portal Revolution. No, I've never played that. Bye bye, have fun in class. Oh, you're quite moist. Dang, that's some moistness. Always so moist. I feel like it's rigged. It's always the same person that has like a lot of moistness. Wee, boing boing, boing boing, boing boing. Wahoo! Oh, you didn't see! Hold on. Doing doing. Oops. I didn't realize I went backwards. Doing doing. Wee. 48% moist. Never above 50. How moist am I? Oh, damn! I win this time. Look at me go. So much moistness. I'm almost 100% moist. I am water. Oh no, you got beat. Haha. Liquids. I am water. Thank you for follow. Welcome you. Okay, so he put his double jump falls here. Hmm. That doesn't change much though. Wing wing. Wing wing wee. How much do we have left of this? We don't have that much left in this course. This is like the end of this section after I finish this video. And then we have signals, coin collecting, labels, directional light. Obviously it's kind of dark. And UI buttons and joysticks for mobile. Oh, that's interesting. GD script. It's fine. It's pretty simplified. I like it. Like not having to write a semicolon every time. It's fun. I like it. It's fine. Although it does lack a few things like arrays, apparently. But I haven't hit that wall yet. So that's good. Okay, where are we? Position here. So we are doing a rotation. Oops. This? Yes. If vector 2 velocity v and velocity x. I cannot type this morning for some reason. Length. Something like that. He doesn't have to do arrays, but when I do it, it makes every array a library or dictionary. Yeah, so it... Yeah. It's not that he doesn't have them, but it's like yes and no. Yeah. Yeah, what Trop said. Trop probably knows more about it, because he's had that problem. But yes, he can probably answer that question. Length. What are we doing? Is bigger than 0. I also have to remember that this axis in Godot is Y and not Z, like in Blender. It's kind of annoying. Well, that's why it's confusing to me, because X and Z would be like this in this case. Come on, get on with it. Not to say aficionado, more like he's done a few little games, at least more than I did. So, yeah, you might know a little bit more. He's made his own games compared to me following lessons. Yeah. Dozen small games made with Unity and Godot, so he's tried both. Nice. Yeah. Vector 2. I'm just gonna copy. I'm lazy. There we go. Angle. Rotation. Dot. Y. LARP. LARP. Honestly. Couple on Google Play. I have to get there and make millions. LARP angle. Doubtful. Don't think it's gonna happen to me. I never finish projects, so I never get there. Well, who knows? Maybe by the end of the year, maybe something's gonna come out of this. Delta times 10. Now he's moving on to... Wait, what? Hold on, something's off. Not declared. Did I miss that? Why is it not declared? Petition direction. When did he declare that? I must have missed it. Mustn't have been paying attention. Oh, there it is. I can see it. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up again. Why do I not have that? I don't even remember him writing that. Oh no, I do have it. I just wrote it wrong. Again! Again! Ah, my goodness. Wow. Stop it. Save. Have you seen that graphic of 3D software and which axis they use for up and whether it's left-handed, right? No, I've not seen that. Have you made chest with one side... Pause. With one side being 3 rows of pawns. What? In half a dozen languages. This is what I do with every new language I learn to make a game again. Yeah, that makes sense. Like, trying to remake games is a good way of learning how things work. Yeah. Ooh, I can actually turn! Whee! Whee! Whoa, boing, boing. Oh my god! Raiders! Hello! Welcome in. I have not heard that alert ever. Oh no, camera, please don't do this to me! No! No! Oh, you guys come in just as my camera overheats. No! Why? Hello! Welcome in, readers. I'm sorry, the camera said bye-bye. I guess I'll put on Godot in the meantime. No, my camera. Yeah, I've been having overheating problems with my camera. It is pretty warm in here. It's like as soon as it hits 25 degrees Celsius in my apartment, my camera's like, nope. See ya. Oh, but how are we doing? Hello, readers. Hello. What were you up to? I have not done shoutouts in such a long time. Hold on. I have to put the black screen. Hold on. See if I can start it up again. No, it's too warm. Oh, hold on. I have an idea. Hold on. I have a second webcam. I just have to plug it in. Okay. Okay. We got this. Add a video capture device. Webcam. Hello? Hello? Why doesn't it work? Ah! I'm upside down. Cool. Oh my god. Yeah, bring the fridge up and get the camera in there. So I'm upside down. So this one is flipped because I do crafting with this one. Hello, I'm a bat. Oh my goodness, now you guys can see the mess behind me though. Let me flip that again. Flip horizontal? Nope, that's not. Well, hello, raiders. Oh, cool. I'm flipped the wrong side though. Hold on. Horizontal. There we go. As long as you don't see outside, so I don't dox myself, it's fine. It's bright enough. It's bright enough. Yeah, that's a lot of light. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you guys can see the mess on the floor. Look at this. Yippee! There's like a whole bunch of yarn. Anyway, what were we up to during the raid? Hack the box studying. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Charlie, oh, welcome in. Oxnix? What? I can't speak this morning. I'm sorry. But yes, I would definitely need to put my camera in a fridge. I don't know why it's so bad these days. Cybersecurity, and it's a learning platform. Interesting. I already thought back in the day I wanted to do cybersecurity back when I was in computer science, and then quit computer science. So yeah, instead I'm a web dev, but in my spare time I am learning Godot to make games like this. Oops. Camera. Oh, I don't really fix that. Hold on, maybe I can get the other camera going. It's been on for a little bit. Hello, I know you can do it. Yay, got it. Who knows how long it's gonna last though? Ooh. Glad you came in. Glad you came in. I'm a little all over the place, a little scuffed. Yeah, so our little little character can turn and jump and die. So this is from a template. This is not mine. I am learning from a course that I got on Humble Bundle. Humble Bundle? Oh, can't speak. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Because I still don't feel very confident in making my own stuff quite yet. I'm gonna mark that as complete. I have my iPad in front of me with the courses because I don't want you guys to hear it. Where's my music? Oh, it is so low. I don't even hear it. Oh. Learning streams live. Yes, it's fun to watch. It's like, let's learn together, yay, and do weird stuff together and jank and everything. I'm glad you came in. Glad you came in. I think this is maybe the second raid since I started streaming again. I think we got one at the very beginning back in February, but then like I don't stream long enough to have people raid in, so it's like kind of a surprise when it happens. It's like, oh. Also, I don't have all my alerts quite reset back because I was gonna use this as like video footage and stuff, so I put like minimal alerts. But you know, I might bring back some weird stuff on stream because I don't really feel like editing videos. No thank you. No thank you. And yeah, so I'm using StreamerBot for all my alert stuff. This is what I use. Do all my stuff on my own. There are a few sound alerts that you guys can use. Commands. Little commands. Yes. Stream fast and hard. That's what I do. Yes. Since I'm not going to the office today, that is why I'm doing about an hour and a half.
They don't have engines, they don't have wings?
Yes.
It should work!
Yes.
It's a basket in the sky!
It's a wonder it all works. Well, when it feels like it. You know, my computer did something weird earlier. Seems fine. I don't know why the taskbar went nuts. Very strange. Very strange indeed. But yeah, the camera's a bit of a problem. I should probably just turn on EC, but with the time that's left, meh. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Also, yes, we do have anonymous follows unless you talk in chat, because some people just like to lurk and watch and not be called out. All right, let's continue. What are we doing? So he made like little platforms. He added platforms and stuff. His character There's a weird little animation on his head. Okay, he's just introducing what we're doing. I'll make that as complete. Signal, coin collecting, labels. How long is this one? 17 minutes. We have time. We have time to do this one. Oh, I'm getting hot also. How warm is it out there? Where's my phone? Not here. Not here at all. You're welcome, and welcome in, Mark. Welcome in. Yes, game development. Yes, in Godot, with Godot engine. I use it through Steam because at least with Steam, you can update directly, and I like seeing my time. There's that too. I do the same with Blender, but if you want to use C#, you have to use another instance, sadly. Okie dokie. And yeah, if you want like courses that don't cost very much, keep an eye on Humble Bundle. Sometimes they have Godot, Blender, they have all sorts of stuff, which is great. I think recently they had another bundle with Godot. I don't know if it's still there. Stop. Drop. Stop. I'm just dying right now. Like, I brought my shirt behind me just in case I got cold, but I'm not getting cold at all. Comfortable using GDScript? It's not bad. I just don't know it enough to, like, know what I need to do. Like, let's say I want to, like, make my character do something very specific. I don't know all the functions and stuff, which is normal. Like, I'd have to look at the doc, but, like, when you go from a language that you know well to, like, a language you're like, I'm not sure this is possible. It, like, feels like there's a bit of a stop learning curve, I'd say. But for the most part, it's pretty simple. I like that there's no semicolons at the end of the lines. It's fairly simple looking. It's nice. I like it. Well, at least it changes up from JavaScript and jQuery. That's for sure. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Good morning. Hello. It is warm in here. You know what? I might get the AC going. Yeah. Maybe. It is quite warm. I'll be back. You'll see my wonderful pajama pants. Yippee! You know, I might have to start putting the shades down just because of the sun. Kind of annoying. Like, at first it was just for the light. I was like, oh, we can deal with it. It's fine. But then now it's like heat. The problem is the heat. It feels like a greenhouse in here. Like, I have full windows on that side, so it does feel like a greenhouse. Kiki Lofting, hello. Come on, chair, turn. I have some Python experience to help, but feels strange to use scripting languages, right? It's like go from one to the other, not easy. It's like we have the CMS that uses, it's Razor, but Razor is basically C#, but I didn't know C#, and I was like, how do I do the thing? Yeah, 5'5". I am 5'5". Wow, you have good eye, Kiki. Good eye indeed. Short? You're all short. Nuh-uh, compared to Spider, I'm very tall. Why did I choose Godot over Unity? Because it's open source, free, because it seemed simple enough. I don't know if I'll be continuing after the stuff and stuff. Yes, words. I'm learning the skill, but like, who knows? Maybe I'll go full on into Blender after these challenges and stuff, but who knows? I don't know where I'm going. Like, maybe later we'll move on to Unity or Unreal. Who knows? And COBOL? Oh, really? Oh. I feel myself perfectly up and down and side to side. Wow, that's very filled in. Yes. Yeah, I like to say that I'm a skeleton and my skin color is translucent because it pretty much is. I see everything. 6'5", yes, you are definitely tall. Indeed. Hitting your head all the time. Oh, that sounds annoying. Yeah. Maybe have you tried not being as tall? Have you tried? Okay. Big platform. Main game. What's he doing? What's he doing? So, node 3D. Okay, we're adding a node 3D. Thank you for the follow. Welcoming. Follows are anonymous. You are free to do whatever you please. You may talk to us if you want. You may stand anonymous. Words. Initial flat. Just flat. Flat. We're gonna bring that up here. Above, we're gonna put big platform in there. Ooh, what's he doing? Make it go so quickly like that. Hold on. Or I have to go in 3D mode. Itchy nose. I'm a giant that uses a gnome avatar, yeah. So strange. Only a 4-inch difference, but it makes all the difference. Right? Okay, oh, it is warm in here. Come on, AC, do your thing. God, it's still spring. This summer's gonna be insane. I'm gonna have to live on AC. Can I just do this? Aha! Yes, I can. Can I snap like... Oh, I can! It's like Blender. Yes! Yes, sir. Boop. And I guess we're copying. Okay. Control. Yep. Rip. Camera's gonna die. Also, it got darker for some reason. I don't realize it. Somewhat darker. It's like 2 trench coat gnomes, specifically trench coat gnomes. White theme. I can't see anything. Well, me neither if it's not a white theme. Sorry. Yes, the reason why I have a white theme is because it's of the sun. I cannot see with a dark theme. Like, let me see, let's open this. Like, I can kind of see it, but like, it's not easy. I have to do this, which is not great. Or like move, because like the sun's there. Also, hello from the raid, hello. Psyched, hello. What's this? It's a test game. It's a little test game with a little model template thingy that you can find. Oh, what's the name of it? I forgot. I forgot already. Can't recall. Anyway, Starter Kit. If you type Starter Kit in the asset lib, you'll probably find it if you're interested in using these assets. Dracula. Yes. Strawberry shortcake theme. Yes. Yeah, that's my blender. My blender has the white and pinkish also. But what? Javier, what are you seeing? The wrong no. What? We're learning to code and how one single letter can change everything. Yep. I'm assuming we're gonna change the name of these. No, we're not. We're just gonna keep it as this. We're gonna keep it as is. Hold on. Can I just... This is a little hard. Oh, come on. Come back here. Ah, does it do like Blender? It does not. It does not. I can't just do dot. Really? Ugh. Annoying. Come over here, you. Ah! I'm struggling. I'm sorry. There we go. Wait, what? What's it sticking on? What? What's it snapping to? What? Strange. Wrong number. Number? I don't know what's going on. Why? Okay, fine. I'll move you without snapping then. Jeez. That's not Blender. Because okay, that works. That does not. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but we'll deal with that. Yes, doing a great big platform. I believe it's going to be 9 by 9. Yes, 9 by 9. No, why? Ah! Didn't mean to do that. Because it should... are there snapping options on this? What is this? No. Oh, this is not Blender. Maybe we're gonna have like unequal platforms. Who knows? Who knows? It's gonna be a weird looking one. Ugh. Ugh. Like if I could just snap it properly. Ah, why am I not affiliate? Ah, ha ha ha. No ads. None. I used to be affiliate. But then I was like, I don't want them anymore. I turned them. Oh, maybe. That's possible. You might be right. You might be quite right. Still went back where I was. I don't know. Try that. No, it's still just snapping to who knows what. Not sure what it's snapping to. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Like, it looks like it's snapping, but it's not. Oh my god, what is it snapping to? Blender, I need you, my friend. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so we're gonna move in, I think about there. Oh god, this is crooked, but who cares? Yes, I became affiliated, then turned off. Because I figured like when I came back, I didn't know how many people would come back, how many people would be interested, and my main focus was learning the skills and not getting a bigger following or like trying to like build clout or whatever. So that was not the point of the stream. So I figured like, okay, let's take money out of the equation. There's still the frog fund, but that one is completely optional. It's down there in my about, but that's it. Whoa! No, wrong song. That's Living on a Prayer. Whoops. So no, the child thing didn't work. Let's go from you. Maybe I'm just not zoomed in enough or something? It kind of works. Oh, I think it snaps to the grid. Maybe? Not sure. Like the platform's better like this anyways. Yeah, exactly. It looks kind of better. Kinda. Oh right, I was supposed to add that, I think, for the frog fund. Right. I forgot. And why is it called a frog fund? It's literally that. Because I want frogs. Literally. To buy frogs. Because, oh my god, just the frogs are like $80 each. And I want 2. And that's just the frogs. And then there's the terrarium, plants, substrate, lamps, and all that. So yeah, but that's not for now. I'm expecting to maybe get them by like August, September, maybe. Maybe I'll deal with that during my vacations this summer. Because I'll have time to put together a terrarium. Because right now I don't really... Whoa, what am I doing? You gotta copy first, silly. Where'd it go? Oh, there it goes. Do you want to see frog jumping on screen? The donate? Oh yeah, that could be cute. Could I have like a little animation of a frog on the screen? Although I'm not very good at animating quite yet. Also, ow, timer's not visible. There we go. Oh, 7 minutes already. So little time left. Yeah, it's definitely snapping to the grid. Don't quite know yet how to do setup for snapping. What do you mean, no, not animation? I do what I want to do when I want to do it. Yes, animation. What type of frogs? Dumpies or by their normal name, white tree frogs. But they're also called dumpy. Just cute. Like the picture on the bottom in my about. That's some tree frogs, but it looks like I could tell that you know you wouldn't want that on your skin directly. Probably you wear gloves to take them. Yeah. No, the dumpies are fine. I can take them with my hands. I'm more dangerous to the frogs than the frogs are to me. Yeah. I'm expecting... Oh, congrats! Frogs! I'm expecting frogs. Yes! Oh, the frogs. I already have a fish, but... I mean, the frogs would be nice. I would add a little bit of something. I can't have cats, can't have dogs. Can't have much of anything, really. And I wanted something that didn't die within 2 years. So, I got frogs in my idea head. Like, I went through, like, so many different pets that I could go for. And, like, I was like, oh, rats are cute. And I was like, yeah, but they die so quickly. So, like, you get attached and they die. Whoopee. And then I looked at chinchillas. Apparently chinchillas aren't as... Oh, jeez. Aren't as affectionate as you might think they are. You, like, can't take them in your hands all that often. I was like, oh, that sucks. I have one bit of fish. Yeah, you saw them eating their yeah. Yeah, they like eating their hands. Oh, you want real ones? Well, we can't have real ones until I can pay for them. And I am not helping myself with buying things I shouldn't be buying. Because crafting and cosplay and hats. My brother has ducks and chickens. They're so fun and cute. Oh no, a raccoon got into the coop. Buy a hat. Yeah, so that's the hat I have to redo. Because I'm working also on a cosplay, because I have too many skills at once. And like, I was like, oh, I really want to do this, and spent lots of money on my visa, and oh no. Oops. Yeah, chinchillas are cute. They're very soft, but yeah, lots of problems. A little time and money. Yeah, that's why I need to become a millionaire and like live in the middle of the forest and do all the things. And get many frogs. Have a whole wall of frogs. Imagine a massive terrarium. You have a bunch of frogs in there. And then at night, they go crap, crap, crap. This is my frog room. Well, if I were to do that, I wouldn't only get frogs. I'd get like snakes and stuff. I'd get a whole room full of reptiles and amphibians. Or not, because it's a lot of work. Or pay someone to do it. Yeah, maybe not. It's a lot too much work. No, I'll go for crafting instead. Anyway, we have like 3 minutes left. I don't think we can do much else for now in 3 minutes. But we have a very weird looking platform. Let's see what happens if I start it up. It's so dark. And then boop. I like the little animation when I go down. Oh, I didn't do it twice. No. Wait, get up there. Oh, I didn't do it. No. Boing. Boing. No, but I wouldn't put the snakes with the frogs. Jeez. I'm not that silly. Get a ball python. Or royal. Yeah. Nice little ball python. Wouldn't put them with the frogs though, not silly. Interstellar. No, it's still the Viking music. What the heck? Why? It didn't do the repeat, but it's still no copyright, so I'm good. So now we're with Celtic medieval fantasy. Apparently. So it's been going on. I might get like a little tag on YouTube there. Because I didn't realize my thing was no longer repeated. No. Ah. Hold on. Bye-bye. Ah. Wait, it's like... Ta-da! Got double view. Hold on. I gotta... You can see me in different points of view. This is weird. Yeah, he doesn't have any light yet. We're not there yet. Poor guy. New camera angle. Like, whoa! Imagine if I had like two and I have like a button that I press and then I like talk about something and then switch to the other camera like they do sometimes in videos. It'd be like, huh, and then this, like do it. Wait. Like for example, like do like, oh, and then this happened and you never knew. uh, a commentary. Commentary. Yeah, commentary. Like, yeah. A commentary camera. That would be crazy. But then I'd have two overheating cameras. I think this one's probably the worm. Yes, it's definitely the worm. Poor thing. Spelling. What is spelling? I don't know. I don't know it. Because apparently I can't spell either because... You saw my code? You saw how that happens? Right? Okay. Back to Twitch. What camera? What camera do I use? I use a Sony A7C. Lately, it's been doing a lot of overheating. I'm gonna have to check my settings. Yeah, that's what I use with the dummy battery and the Elgato Camlink. Yeah, just the Elgato Camlink. Ah, truck's being so loud. The full production set. Imagine I get my SM58 that I wanted to get and like plug it into the other XLR and then I can like move around and then have another camera somewhere else. It would be crazy. Yeah, DSLR. It's a mirrorless though. It's usually fine, but I don't know. Maybe it's getting old. I see. Yes, and if you want to know what I use on the website, the about, I do have all the gear and everything noted down there. Ooh, James is on. It's the weekly art along. Yes, if you go on that website, oh, there we go. There we go. Overheated. Trying to bring back the webcam. Ah. Ah, the camera knows. It knows. Anyway. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're going over to James, you know, and I don't feel like looking for new people. Maybe at some point we will. Good old dreams. Jam. Here we go. And I will put myself on the ending screen. Well, we will not be able to see me. Oh no! But doesn't matter. We're flying over to James. Say hello if you're interested in doing an art along. If you like art. A lot of fun over there, very chill. Anti-AI, so if AI annoys you, great place to be. Yeah. I look more skinny. I am very skinny. I keep saying, I'm a skeleton. It doesn't have a switch. Like, I don't have anything for OBS set up for the other webcam. It feels more like a Zoom call. Ew. No. Anyway, thank you for the raid. Thank you for coming in and saying hello, guys. It was a lot of fun. Very, very annoying in the beginning to have to fix that error that was just a letter missing. But we made it. Yay! It was fun. So I'll be back tomorrow again with some Godot. We're probably continuing this unless I continue tonight. But knowing how I feel these days, I might do some physical traditional art stuff instead. I'll be back same time, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Friday we're doing Blender. Also, Friday is the beginning of Hollow Knight Art Month, so maybe we'll do something in Blender. I don't know. But yes, we can't see me because the camera that's related to that is no longer working, and we're raiding out in a few seconds. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thank you for being here. Have a